Good day, students. How are you all? Today we are doing mixed operation on word problems. Now, students, you are all aware of the four operations, and the four operations, let me come again. What the four operations are? They are your addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Just today we are solving a question which is pretty easy. I'm sure you will enjoy it, but you need to understand the operations. They are hidden in the word problems. So let's start. Now the example which I'm sharing with you is here. Example 1. Weight of 50 bags of rice is 2500 kg. Find the weight of 22 such bags. Let us read the first line. Weight of 50 bags of rice is equal to 22,500 kilograms. Now, when you see the first line, you will make this first line your data. The data I'm mentioned in here. The first line, weight of 50 bags of rice is equal to 2,500 kg. Now the problem says they have not given us the price of one bag. They have given us the price of 50 bags. First we need to sort out the price of one bag. So what do you understand by the line given in here? 50 bags of rice is 2500 kilograms. Now if it is 50 bags and you need to find out for one bag, now how do you know? In order to find out the price or the cost of one bag, you will divide. What will you divide? You will divide 2500 kilograms. This is quite a big figure for 50 such bags. You will divide 2500 kilograms with 50 bags. As you all know, now just have a look at this question. The working 2500 grams and 50. 50 becomes your divisor because there were 50 bags, and 2500 was for the 50 bags. 2500 becomes your dividend. Now I have done the working on the side of the slide here. Just have a look at it. When you multiply 50 by 5, it gives you 250. Now as you all know, you did your multiplication with me, and instead of just doing it 50 times 5 250, just multiply 50 by 50, because when you multiply 50 by 5 it gives you 250. Add up a 0, it means adding up a 0 with 50. 50 multiplied by 50 is giving us 2500, right? So your quotient is 50. So when you have a look at your bag, the weight of one bag is equal to 50 kilograms. Alright, students? Now you have got to know that price of one bag is equal to 50 kilograms. Now coming again to the question asked us that the weight of 50 bags of rice is 2500 kilograms. You need to find out the weight of 22 such bags. Now as you all know that you've got to know the price of one bag, which is 50 kilograms. When you know the price of one bag, so isn't it easier for you all to just multiply the number of bags which is given as 22. Now just 22 bags and one bag is costing 50. Multiply them together and you get your answer 1100 kilograms. Multiplication is pretty easy. Again I am going to repeat, We have done multiplication in tens and hundreds and thousands. So what are you to do here? You just multiply 22 by 5, whatever answer that you get. What are we going to get? 1110. Then add up a 0 and you get 1100. So weight of 22 such bags will be 1100 kilograms. Alright students, today we learned how to understand the operations given in a word problem. In this question that you did today had two operations. The first one was your division and the second one was multiplication. Now you need to understand. Now, when you comprehend a question, then you understand it better and you're able to sort out the correct operation. I hope children you enjoyed the question I shared today with you. I shall be sharing more word problems with you, and we will be moving ahead with other operations as well. All right, bye for now. Have a good day.